Breathe easy and beautify your home with these 5 air-purifying plants. Imagine walking into your home and being greeted not just by a sense of calm and order, but also by air that feels cleaner, fresher, more alive. But what if I told you that some of these plants don't just uplift your spirits, they actually purify the air you breathe? It sounds almost magical, doesn't it? Well, back in the 1980s, a scientist named Dr. Bill Wolverton conducted a groundbreaking experiment with NASA and discovered that certain plants possess the remarkable ability to remove harmful toxins from the air. Let's begin, shall we? Have you ever felt the weight of responsibility for a living thing, only to find that you've forgotten to water it? Don't worry, we've all been there. And that's where the ZZ plant comes in. This resilient, almost sculptural beauty thrives even in the most forgetful of homes. Its glossy green leaves, so pleasing to the eye, are also hard at work, removing toxins like xylene, toluene, and benzene, those invisible troublemakers lurking in our homes. Whether you place it in your living room, your bedroom, or even your office, the ZZ plant brings with it a sense of calm, a feeling of being surrounded by nature's quiet strength. It's a reminder that sometimes the most beautiful things in life are also the most resilient, the most giving. And that's a feeling that truly sparks joy, wouldn't you agree? Some plants whisper tranquility, while others command attention the moment you step into a room. The rubber plant, with its strong, upright stance and those large, almost sculptural leaves, definitely belongs to the latter category. Beneath those deep green leaves lies a powerful ability to absorb harmful toxins. Formaldehyde, benzene, trichloroethylene, these common household pollutants don't stand a chance against the rubber plant's quiet strength. It requires minimal care, a little water and sunlight, and in return, it offers you cleaner air and a touch of timeless elegance. Imagine coming home after a long day to a space that feels not just visually stunning, but also fresh and healthy, thanks to the silent efforts of your rubber plant. The Fiddle Leaf Fig, a plant that needs no introduction, wouldn't you agree? Its iconic violin-shaped leaves have graced countless magazine covers and Pinterest boards, becoming a symbol of refined taste and modern living. But this plant is more than just a pretty face. Beneath its trendy exterior lies a powerful air purifier, silently working to make your home a healthier haven. It removes toxins, adds a touch of nature's elegance, and instantly elevates any space it graces. It thrives in bright, indirect light and requires consistent watering. Imagine sunlight streaming through the leaves of your fiddle leaf fig, casting intricate shadows on your wall, while the plant diligently filters the air you breathe. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself transported to a tropical paradise. This beautiful plant, Areca Palm, also known as the butterfly palm, is like a breath of fresh air, literally. Not only does it add a touch of tropical elegance to your decor, but it also works tirelessly to improve the air you breathe. NASA itself has recognized the Areca Palm as one of the best air-purifying plants, praising its ability to remove carbon dioxide, benzene, and formaldehyde from the air, while releasing pure, life-giving oxygen, just like a walk in a tropical forest. Have you ever encountered a plant so striking, so unique in its appearance, that it sparks an immediate sense of wonder? That's the magic of the Monstera Adansonii, also known as the Swiss cheese vine. With its large, glossy leaves adorned with naturally occurring holes, it's a statement piece, a conversation starter, and a testament to nature's artistry. Behind its dramatic foliage lies a powerful ability to absorb toxins, specifically formaldehyde, a common indoor pollutant. And as if that weren't enough, this remarkable plant also helps regulate humidity levels, creating a more balanced and comfortable atmosphere in your home. Imagine the Monstera Adansonii, with its dramatic leaves cascading from a hanging pot or climbing gracefully up a trellis, becoming a living work of art in your home, while silently purifying the air you breathe. So there you have it, 5 stunning indoor plants that don't just elevate your home decor, but also work behind the scenes to clean your air, creating a space that is both beautiful and healthy, a true sanctuary for your body and soul. Which one sparks the most joy for you? Do you already have any of these beautiful air purifiers in your home? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery. And remember, Even small changes, like adding a plant to your home, can spark immense joy and contribute to a happier, healthier you. Until next time, may your homes be filled with peace, beauty, and the invigorating presence of nature.